Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, we are taking a look at the new MI Watch Lite. There's been a lot of hype around Xiaomi devices as they are just good and affordable. So, without any further ado, let's just dig in with the unboxing of new MI Watch Lite. The front face of the box itself has the MI Watch in a holographic sort of design, and the back contains all the required specifications that you can simply check out. The watch looks very sleek and has sensors on the back. One of the reasons to get a smartwatch instead of a fitness band is definitely the looks. You can see the screen is curved in all the four edges and there's a button to the side of the display. In the box, there is also an instruction manual and a charger. The watch feels super light as its weight is just 35 grams, so it's comfortable on the wrist and the strap is soft, comfy, and it looks nice in hand. Talking more about the built-in quality and the design, it has 1.4-inch LCD display with 320 by 320 resolutions. It covers 60% NTSC color space and has a rated brightness of 350 nits. The watch can be further customized with up to 120 different watch faces. The screen has a nice response and can accurately recognize the input. The raise to wake function works perfectly as the watch turns on with even the lightest action. In general, the device looks quite classy and it doesn't look thick on hand. On the other hand, the screen looks quite simple and it's very easy to use. Swiping left, right, up and down will pretty much do all the job, but if I have to say by myself, then it kinda lacks animation and looks pale. The Xiaomi MI Watch Lite is a basic smartwatch with a surprising amount of fitness features just for Rs 6,999. If you are wondering if you should spend your money on this ultra cheap smartwatch, then watch the video till the end. The watch has 11 different workout models, though it doesn't sound many, but it covers all the general sports like indoor and outdoor walking, running, cycling, swimming, trekking, and other workout models. It's able to calculate your steps, calories burnt, and the pace you are going at. And this way, you can get a little summary at the end of your workout. Additionally, there's an idle alert feature that reminds you to walk or be active every now and then. It also notifies you when you reach your certain goal like walking a certain kilometer, running for a certain time, and that's great. The Watch Lite is also a good sleep tracker. With the sensors, it keeps track of your total time asleep, deep, light, and REM sleep. It even gives you a sleep score from 0 to 100 based on how well you slept. It can also record your heart rate in different time intervals. The unique feature about the watch that is quite rare to find is a counter that tells you how many times you have stood up each day. Strange, right? Likewise, all this data can be seen in Xiaomi Wear app, which is pretty easy to read and understand. Moreover, the watch is water resistant up to 5 atm, so it can stay under water for about 10 minutes at the depth of 50 meters, which means that you can easily take it to your swimming sessions. It's wonderful that it can also track open water and pool swimming too. The watch also supports call and app notifications, but you cannot do anything about it instead of just viewing it. Similarly, you can reject calls directly from the watch itself, but answering it is not an option. Interestingly, the watch features a built-in dual GPS system which is rarely present in budget-friendly devices. Lastly, talking about the battery. It is stated to have 230 mAh cells, so it has up to 9 days of battery life in normal usage. Even with my experience, the battery lasted for 10 days with only 2 hours of charge. So, the battery performance is quite good in this price range. Likewise, the charger is quite bulky that has a USB-A type connection. It took me around 2 hours to fully charge the watch, and that's kind of satisfactory for myself. Summing it up, Xiaomi MI Watch Lite is a favorable fitness tracker in the form of a smartwatch. If you are not a fitness freak but still want to track your general fitness with a styling looking device in a limited budget, then I will 100% recommend you Xiaomi MI Watch Lite over other devices. Like, share, subscribe, and press that bell notification to never miss an update. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a good time.